When you're measuring for a new cooker hood, it's always best to match with the width of the hob. Then you need to measure from the top of your cooker or worktop up to the bottom of your cabinet or ceiling to make sure your cooker hood will fit. You'll also need to check the hot zone, which we recommend as being 75 centimeters. Finally, make sure the hood's extraction rate will match the size of your kitchen. This will make it easier to see off odors and keep your kitchen fresh. The extraction rate of a cooker hood tells you how much air it can process in an hour. This is measured in meters cubed, and the higher the number, the faster it can clear the air. Ideally, your cooker hood should filter the air 10 times per hour to be effective. To work out whether a cooker hood is suited to your space, you need to work out how big your kitchen is. To do this, measure the width, depth, and height, then multiply them. This gives you the volume of your kitchen. Then find a cooker hood you like and get its extraction rate. Divide the extraction rate by the volume of your room, and that will tell you how many times that hood will filter the air in your kitchen. If this final number is above 10, you can be confident you found the right rate for your home. Happy hood hunting!